Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob, and this video covers 4 easy and affordable upgrades every truck owner should do to their truck immediately. Before we get started, I want to share with you my ridiculous goal of being sponsored by Ford with one of their new F-Series trucks so I can continue to bring quality content to you guys. Ford has told me I'm too small of a channel, so I need your help reaching 1 million subscribers to reach my ridiculous goal, so please subscribe to the channel and spread the word. All right, let's get right into it. So first up on our easy and affordable upgrades is a gas strut tailgate assist that helps with opening and closing the tailgate. This way, if you have your hands full and you just need to click the tailgate and let it down, it doesn't slam. Or if you have kids that you don't want the tailgate to fall onto if they're trying to open it up, or just family members that have trouble opening and closing the tailgate. This is a very affordable and easy upgrade to make at only $24. I've included the product link for it in the description below, so make sure to click on it and check it out. So next up on our easy and affordable upgrades for F-Series trucks is a rear seat release tab to gain access to hidden storage compartment behind the main portion of the rear seat. Now, as many of you probably know, if you have an F-Series truck, the jack is stored on the other side and has a rear seat release already included. Not sure why Ford didn't include it on this side, but Built-Right Industries has a pull tab that integrates into the seat so you can gain access back behind here. You just pull the tab, release it to gain access. Having this extra storage back here is great for just miscellaneous spare parts and tools that we need, just carrying along on our off-road adventures. I've also got the brains of our dual battery system hidden back here. This way it's centralized within the truck so we can have electrical runs in both directions about equal length. This Built-Right Industries pull tab is only $29 on Amazon, and I've included the link for it in the description below. Another easy and affordable upgrade is swapping out your AM/FM antenna to a short or stubby antenna. This way it's not clanking on parking garages, getting caught up on trees while off-roading, or in the middle of the shot your passenger's trying to take of the incredible landscape you're driving through. It's a great upgrade, just looks better in my opinion, more stylish than the long gangly antenna hanging up there. You do lose a little bit of reception on AM and FM, but me personally, I think it outweighs the cons of having a larger antenna. This stubby antenna only costs $20, and I've included the product link for it in the description below. And our fourth easy and affordable upgrade is changing out your halogen high beam lights to an LED light. Now this is a great upgrade for night driving, especially if you don't want to add off-road lighting to your vehicle. It's DOT approved, so obviously you can drive on the street with the high beams. Just increased visibility and safety, especially if you drive in dark areas. It is a huge upgrade over the halogen light bulbs. These Oxito LED lights only cost $60, and I've included the link for it in the description below. And this concludes my list of 4 easy and affordable upgrades every truck owner should do to their truck immediately. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you'll help me achieve my ridiculous goal of being sponsored by Ford, and I would really appreciate it.